Alright, quick auto park video for you guys here. Let's see how accurate the car can park itself. So just by hitting start, it should recognize the parking spot, also recognize the two cars next to it, and go ahead and adjust, center itself in between the two cars perfectly. I like how the side mirrors even move so you can really see the line. And just like that, it's gonna kind of adjust on both sides. And let's see if it fixes itself one more time or no. Just like that, auto park complete. See, it even released the brake, puts on the emergency brake for you, and just like that, you can go ahead and exit your vehicle. And that's available right now with any car that has ultrasonic sensors, and should be available with an update to all the new 2023 cars that don't have ultrasonic sensors. So that, along with Smart Summon. So yeah, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.